When it comes to outdoor adventures, the best ice chest for camping ensures your food and drinks stay cold for days. Durable, portable, and reliable, these coolers are perfect for tailgates, beach trips, and weekend camping excursions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. YETI Roadie Camping Ice Chest. The YETI Roadie Camping Ice Chest is a compact yet rugged cooler designed for campers, boaters, and outdoor enthusiasts who want reliable cooling performance without hauling a bulky chest. As the smallest member of the Roadie lineup, this ice chest is built with portability in mind, while still delivering the legendary durability and ice retention YETI coolers are known for. It has a capacity to hold 22 cans or 16 pounds of ice, making it ideal for short trips, picnics, or weekends away when you don't need a massive cooler but still want dependable cold storage. A thoughtful design feature is its wine-friendly packing ability, as it can fit most standard wine bottles and 2-liter soda bottles on their side, which makes it a versatile option for both casual gatherings and outdoor adventures. Carrying the cooler is made comfortable with the double-duty strap, which provides the option for hands-free hauling or an easy grip for manual carrying. The lip grip handles add to its convenience by staying out of the way yet making lifting and transporting a breeze. On top of its compact size and portability, the cooler comes with barefoot non-slip feet that prevent sliding whether it's on the deck of a boat or in the back seat of your car. These small but smart touches reflect YETI's focus on both functionality and durability. This ice chest may not have the massive storage of larger coolers, but it excels in portability, quality construction, and thoughtful details that make it perfect for smaller outings. Number 2. Ninja FB151W Camping Ice Chest. The Ninja FB151W Camping Ice Chest is designed for campers who want long-lasting ice retention, food safety, and convenience in one durable package. With its advanced frost vault technology, this cooler offers a unique advantage over many traditional coolers by keeping food cool, dry, and separate at safe temperatures below 40 degrees F. This feature is particularly helpful for campers who want to avoid the hassle of storing food in secondary waterproof containers or dealing with soggy packaging. The FB151W offers premium ice retention, holding ice for days to support longer adventures without constant refilling. Its impressive 50-quart capacity can fit up to 80 cans without ice or 45 cans with ice, making it a great choice for group camping trips, tailgates, or beach outings. The design emphasizes smarter packing, ensuring that food and drinks can be stored together but still kept separate and accessible. Unlike traditional coolers where you need to dig through layers of ice to find items, this chest provides easier access, reducing the frustration of melted ice water soaking everything. Built with up to 3 inches of insulation, the heavy-duty construction ensures it can withstand outdoor use while maintaining consistent performance. Number 3. Igloo Trailmate Camping Ice Chest. The Igloo Trailmate Camping Ice Chest is built with rugged versatility and mobility at its core, making it an excellent choice for those who love venturing into outdoor environments that require durability and portability. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 10-inch, never-flat, smooth ride wheels that tackle sand, gravel, and uneven terrain with ease. This superior traction and ground clearance set it apart from many other coolers, ensuring you can transport it comfortably across challenging outdoor conditions. Constructed with extra-thick 1.5-inch foam-insulated walls and an insulated lid, the Trailmate provides extended ice retention, keeping your drinks and perishables cool for long camping trips or beach outings. It also introduces Igloo's Sherlock rubber latches, the first of its kind on an Igloo cooler, which are designed to be fastened easily with 2 fingers while ensuring a secure closure to lock in the cold. The lid features a locking plate and leak-resistant gasket, offering peace of mind that your cooler's contents will stay cold and secure during transport. While the lock is not included, this feature adds an additional layer of confidence for campers who want their items safely sealed. Made in the USA, the Trailmate reflects Igloo's reputation for crafting quality coolers that balance innovation with practicality. With its durable build, reliable insulation, and mobility-focused design, this cooler is ideal for long trips where you need consistent cold storage and the ability to move it easily over different terrains. Number 4. Ninja 45 QT Camping Ice Chest. The Ninja 45 QT Camping Ice Chest is a mid-sized cooler that combines smart storage design with rugged durability and excellent ice retention, making it an ideal choice for outdoor adventures of all kinds. Like other models in the Ninja cooler line, it features frost vault technology, which transfers cold into a dry storage zone that keeps food cool, dry, and separated at safe temperatures. This eliminates the common problem of wet or spoiled food caused by melted ice, allowing campers to store perishables with confidence. With a 45-quart capacity, the cooler can fit up to 68 cans without ice, or 40 cans with ice, striking a balance between portability and storage for medium-sized groups. Built with up to 3 inches of insulation, it holds ice for days, ensuring your drinks and food remain cold throughout multi-day trips. A key highlight is its all-terrain wheels, which are designed to be ultra-durable, puncture-resistant, and capable of handling a variety of outdoor surfaces. These wheels make it easy to transport the cooler even when fully loaded, reducing strain compared to traditional carry-only coolers. The design also emphasizes easy access to stored items, eliminating the hassle of digging through ice to find what you need. Number 5. Igloo BMX Camping Ice Chest. The Igloo BMX Camping Ice Chest is a tough, lightweight cooler designed for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who value durability, performance, and ease of use. Built with a blow-molded construction, this cooler is highly durable and impact-resistant, making it capable of handling rough outdoor conditions such as camping, fishing, or tailgating. It stands out with its unique T-grip latch system, which provides a sturdy closure to keep the contents cold and secure while also being easy to operate. One of its biggest advantages is its lightweight design, weighing just under 19 pounds despite offering a spacious 72-quart capacity. Compared to many other coolers in the same size category, the BMX is significantly lighter, making it easier to transport without sacrificing storage volume. The insulation performance is equally impressive, as it is designed to keep ice frozen for days, ensuring your food and drinks stay cold throughout your adventure. Measuring 32.2 by 17.3 by 16.8 inches, the BMX offers generous space for extended trips while remaining portable. The ergonomic handle makes carrying more comfortable even when the cooler is fully loaded. This cooler is also a thoughtful gift option for outdoor lovers, thanks to its combination of durability, lightweight build, and reliable cooling performance. Whether it's for camping trips, beach outings, or backyard barbecues, the Igloo BMX delivers on its promise of convenience and cold storage. For campers seeking a large yet easy-to-manage cooler that doesn't compromise on toughness or performance, the Igloo BMX Camping Ice Chest is a dependable and practical choice. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.